Okay, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going through the NFLX stock, which is Netflix, especially with its earnings coming up. I think it's a good time to have a look at what's going on with Netflix. As we can see on the chart here, we've got the two pandemic which caused the stock to go down. The two serious pandemic actions, which caused the stock to have a bearish effect. But just now, with the vaccine hopes and everything, the stock is on a bullish trend. Since about October, the stock has been on a bullish trend as more people are staying at home and watching Netflix. If we look here, we can see that the stock and a lot of the other major tech stocks are also doing this, such as Microsoft. They're all sort of consolidating here. We can see this area. It's not really much movement. It's just bouncing up and down. It's not much movement from when was this? From July to about January 21st. We haven't had much movement for the stock itself. But if we wanted to draw some lines in here, hold on, give me a sec. Trend line, right? We could see that this is going down, in fact, and this is acting as support. So this would be the resistance, and this line would be the support. As with most stocks, though, if the original position was in fact a bullish sort of pattern here, I don't know why I draw two arrows there. If the stock is going in a bullish pattern originally, and then it sort of enters this consolidation period, most of the time it will come out as a bullish direction, but some of the time it may break out from the support as a bearish direction. But it's very likely that it should be going through for a bullish direction. But if we actually just take a look at the fundamentals, to be honest, Netflix itself is actually just a streaming service. To be honest, if I wanted to invest, I would be more inclined to look at Disney, as Disney has its theme parks. It has the Disney Plus, and it also owns a bunch of the news channels in America, actually. So Disney actually has a very big market monopolization, whereas Netflix is just a streaming service. If we look at the sort of daily chart here, we're looking at not as much volume as the daily traded stocks such as CTRM or CCIV, or the really hyped up stocks. It's just only 5 million compared to CTRM, CCIV, IDX, OGen, all of these stocks that all the day traders are talking about. This is more a long-term stock, I would say. We're seeing, for the daily pattern, we're seeing a very bearish, quite a bearish channel forming here. There's earnings coming up, but I don't really see anything happening with this. Earnings typically before, historically, have had an effect on the stock, but not a lot of effect. If we go to the 30-minute chart here, we can see the earnings dates that have happened. It looks like here the stock dropped a lot, dropped 6% of the earnings because it missed it. And I literally have no idea how these earnings are going to do. I can't make a prediction on that. I don't have enough information to make a prediction on the earnings. I don't think anyone else on the internet does either. The earnings here has been dropping as well. Dropped a lot. If we move, if we move along here, earnings here didn't even have much of a impact on the stock. It was like trading normally. Not much impact. Guys, that's basically it for Netflix. Netflix is in consolidation right now, but hopefully as soon as it breaks consolidation, we might see some more price action. But right now, the Netflix stock is sort of not really doing anything. If you guys enjoyed my analysis, please do consider subscribing. It really does help grow my new channel. Thanks for watching, guys.